Alright guys, so we got a customer bringing a trackhawk to be fixed. They said it was just wrecked. It was wrecked, so we're about to see now what the trackhawk's looking like.
Ari, you said you trying to fix this?
Oh my God.
Yes, he wants us to fix it. He wants us to fix it. We didn't fix it one time, but he wants us to fix it again. He was running from the police already. What the hell do you think we're gonna do with this?
Fuck.
He said it wasn't this bad.
Oh my God.
He said it wasn't this bad. Huh? What's this thing? I'm gonna play him like a fool. What do you expect me to do with this? What do you expect me to do with this? No, you gotta talk to that. I'm just the delivery guy, okay? Did you call him? But he said it wasn't that bad. What do you think? Huh? He said he could do some miracles. If you're a miracle worker, there's one you can practice on.
Fuck me, man. No way, bro. Oh! Oh!
He was running from the police.
Yeah, but what happened?
He told me all the airbags came out of it. I reckon saw all the airbags out of it.
His ass probably flew out of it too. Hey, but if you guys want to see how we repair this trackhawk right here, make sure y'all come and check us out, man. JR Ladder Repair. I don't know how that yo, fuck me, bro. Nah, this is outrageous, bro. This is outrageous, man. This is outrageous. What the fuck? No way, bro.